Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create a word cloud text portrait in Canva. Alright, let's begin. First, open a new Canva project and change the background color to black. Then scroll down to Apps and search for Text Shape. Select it and type your text. Access Advanced Settings, adjust the spacing to 2 and change the color to white. Click Add to Design and duplicate it multiple times. Select all the text boxes and increase their size to cover the black areas. Once done, download this image. Next, delete the current page and upload the image you just downloaded. Add a new page, drag the uploaded image to the design, adjust its size, and remove the background. Change the page background to black, download this image, and upload it to the first page. Go to Apps, search for Blend Image, and apply it. Place your text in the top layer and the image in the bottom layer. Then set the blending mode to multiply. Finally, you can apply any filter from the Filters menu to achieve your desired style. So that's basically how you can create a word cloud text portrait in Canva. That's it for this video. Thanks.